Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Pick Treasures. Black Friday is here, and it's the best time to snag amazing deals on home appliances. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or making cleaning easier, I've got you covered with the best Black Friday deals on Amazon and other top sites. Don't forget, links to all these products are in the description below. Let's dive in. First up, the Ninja Foodie Smart XL. It's a grill, air fryer, roaster, and more, all in one. With precision temperature control, you can grill steaks, air fry veggies, or even bake desserts. And this Black Friday, it's down to $229 from $349. Next, the Kazori Dual Blaze Air Fryer. This one's for all my smart home enthusiasts. Control it via Alexa or Google Assistant. Perfect for healthier cooking and is 30% off at $129. Link in the description below. For cleaning, check out the Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum. It automatically adjusts suction based on dirt levels and has an anti-allergen system. Perfect for pet owners. It's $299 instead of $429. Amazon link below. Prefer hands-free cleaning. The iRobot Roomba G7 Plus empties itself and maps your home for custom cleaning. This top-tier robot vacuum is $200 off, bringing it to $599. Link in the description below. Finally, upgrade your laundry game with the LG Wash Tower. This space-saving washer and dryer combo is Wi-Fi enabled and energy efficient. It's $500 off this Black Friday, priced at $1,799. Link in the description below. That wraps up our list of the best Black Friday deals on home appliances. Whether you're looking for smart solutions or big savings, these picks have something for everyone. Don't forget to check the description for links to these deals and snag them before they're gone. Hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you're shopping for this Black Friday. See you next time.